Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to work on the third video of this week, mathematics 6, and inshallah we are going to work with the new chapter today, unit 8, introduction to algebra. You can find the same on the page 88 of your book. Let's start the work. Unit 8, introduction to algebra. The first question raised in your mind, what is an algebra? What is an algebra? It is actually the general form of arithmetic. Arithmetic, let me recall your memory for the arithmetic. What is actually arithmetic? When you study in the previous classes, 7 plus 4 makes 11. It's a true statement. You can see, of course, if you add 7 and 4, you will have answer 11. But instead of 7, you put dot or anything in your mind whatsoever. Think a number in your mind. Likewise, 4 makes 11. This becomes algebra. This is arithmetic and this is algebra. Here we can use the letters, small letters of English alphabets. So A, it can be A, B, C, D, E, dot, 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 X, Y, and Z. So these are called variables. Always we use alphabets A, B, C, D, E up to so on X, Y, Z for writing the algebraic you can say expression or the terms or whatsoever. So we use small letters. So these are called variables. And the numerals, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, 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 these are called constants. Let me explain you more about the algebra. Suppose this is, I repeat the same one, 7 plus 4 makes 11. I just put A plus B is equal to C. So A has the value 7, B has the value 4, and C has the value 11. This is arithmetic and this is algebra. So now I'm just going to work more about the algebra, mathematical statements and open sentences, sorry. Just keep this in your mind. I'll recall it again what we have. So statement. First we talk about the statement and then open sentences. As we did right now, 7 plus 4 makes 11. This is 100% true. So this is called statement. But here a number plus 4 makes 11. Here can be any number, depends upon the value of the total whatsoever. So this is open statement. Here we can write A plus 5 makes 9. A has some values, so we just put the value instead of A. But whenever we have the unknown values, it becomes the open sentences, and when we have the exact true values, you can say it is a statement. I'm just going to work more about the exercise. You can find the exercise on your book. It's we'll start with question 2. Identify constant and variables. It's on the page 90. You can also see there. Identify exercise 8A Question 2, identify the constants and variables. A part is 8a, B is 5, C is 6, x, y, z, D is minus 6c, and E is half y square. So let us recall the memory what we have done. Can we see the remaining previous work that we look at this? Variable and constants. All alphabets are called variables, and the constants 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are called the constant. Now you can find easily 8 is a constant. 8 constant, whereas A is variable. 5 constant, and you can say no variable. Here 6 is constant, and x, y, z are variables. Minus 6 is constant, and C is variable. Similarly, half is also 0.5 is a constant, and y is variable. Here I wanted to explain you, think about this one. 8 is a constant, that 8 will remain 8 till the and a has any value, but if you see the whole value 8a, so 8a will become a variable. If you see all the value, this is a variable, because whenever we put the any value of a, it will change the statement whatsoever. 8a, suppose we put replace with the 5 times 40, so you see 8 times 5 makes 40. So here we put instead of a 5, so itself 8a, the complete 8a is a variable, but we separate. If you are asking about only the variable, so this is variable. In this variable 8 is constant. Here there is no variable, we have 3 variables in this one. So we have 3 variables. Among 3 variables we have one constant, that is 6. Similarly part C and D. Now we are going to work with the question 3. Let's put it here. Identify each of the following as open and or open sentence or a statement. This is again the third question of your identify each of the following as open sentence, just writing this short one, open sentence and a statement. One is 3 plus 7 equals to 10. B is R number take away or minus equals to 76. C is 12 times R number makes 96. D is 98 divided by 7 equals to 14. Well, again recall your memory what we have learned in the beginning. C, mathematical statements and open sentences. We talk about this one, and just in the previous pages, statement is 100% true. There is no doubt about it's true. 7 plus, you don't need to even solve this one. 7 plus 4 is 11. You just see quickly, it's 11. But sentences, missing values. You can use any value. Any value depends upon the statement of the question. So according to this statement, it is a statement because it's actually true. Here missing value, it's an open sentence. 12 times our number, of course 12 8 times makes 96. So it is also an open state sentence. Here 798 divided by 7, you need to use the times table of 7. If you memorize, it's good, but not, you can make the long division on the side. 7 1 times 7, 2 is here, 7 4 times 28, exactly divisible by 14. So it is statement because it is 100% true. So students, this is all about the exercise 8A. Hope you understand this. If you have any query, you can ask me.